Everybody, Dustin here from Official California Detailing, or cleverly OCD for short. Today we're going to talk window tint. So let me flip this around and we'll show you what we're talking about. So we have a Tesla Model 3 here that has our color stable window tint. This is going to be more for privacy. That way we can't see right into and see your belongings type of scenario, but has some performance to it. So this is going to give you privacy, a nice clean install. This is a 3M color stable tint that is non-metallized. It's a ceramic carbon hybrid. You can see nice clean install, seamless, no fingers, no bubbles. And this is going to be with 3M's lifetime warranty. Cracking, bubbling, fading, delaminating. We'll cover that warranty for a lifetime. So if you'd like to learn about the color stable film that we have on this one, let us know and we'd love to tint your Tesla or whatever car that may be. Give us a call today, come by the shop in Sereno Valley, San Diego, or give us a visit online at officialcaliforniadetailing.com.